May Gandalf bless you and our Doorables unboxings.
Please go watch that video for my reaction.
This Gandalf is now the mascot of the channel. Every single thing that we do, if we need good fortune, Gandalf will be there. I got one, and I got the very, very special limited edition one. Mom, rub his head to bless bless yourself. And Mom's probably like, who is Gandalf?
I know who Gandalf is.
Okay, good, but you don't know what he does.
I don't watch Lord of the Rings like you.
She doesn't know. Do you know what a Balrog is?
I do not. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna make you food all day one day, and we're gonna watch a marathon.
Yes, we're gonna have a marathon. So they're going to be unboxing more of the Pixel Pwrfect Disney Doorables 5, 6, or 7. Which one? How many do you have?
I think I have 5 and not 5 foot long.
Okay. 5 for Greg, 5 for Mama. Let's get them out. What are you ready to do?
5, 4, 3, 2, eat!
Level up. Level up. Level up. Level up. Level up. Level up. Level up.
All right.
Level up. Level up. Level
I'm
up.
going with this one.
Going with that one. Mama, start guessing too. I'm gonna keep singing Sierra in my head. Greg, who do you think you have?
I was ahead of you. I'm from Ray of the Last Dragon. Noir.
Noir. Okay, we do have Noir. That's a dupe. So put Noir next to the staff instead of the sword. Gandalf is separating us into 2 piles. Mom, who do you have?
I'm gonna guess Wild and Lightfoot. Let's see. I was
You are
correct.
correct.
Yes, Wilden goes over here.
Okay, more luck.
Come on, Gandalf. Help us out. All right, on to the next 2. All right, Greg, who do you think you have?
We don't talk about this character.
Is it Bruno?
Now.
You're
Boom.
wrong.
It's not.
I have Phoebus.
We do have Phoebus already.
We do
We're
have
still just
Phoebus.
missing Quasimodo. Dang it. Oh, we thought it was Bruno. Mom, who do you have?
I would love it if it was Wheezy, but I don't believe it is. Oh, it is Pixelit. I'm sorry, it is Tigger.
It is Tigger. Aww.
I kept feeling the ears.
And I do have Tigger
we
circled,
have
but
him.
I don't remember if we have him. So I'm
We
going to have to
do.
take a look. Okay, well, we have him now either way. So on to the next 2. Gandalf the White, bless us and keep us. Who do you have, Greg?
Encanto. I think I have Felix. I do.
All right, so that's a dupe.
I'm
Mom?
thinking I have Alma Maribel, which would be a
Alma,
difference.
not Alma Mirabelle. Alma,
Alma.
doesn't matter.
Alma
Madrigal.
Encanto.
Madrigal.
You do
Oh, no,
not,
I do
though.
not.
You have Princess Namadi, which is
It's
a
a-
new one, and she's a comic.
Good, we do have her. So that's one more down. Great. We are now at 33 that we have. Yes. All right. Gandalf, keep blessing us and keeping us. On to the next 2.
Oh.
Mom, who is yours?
I believe Jordan. Yep.
Okay. And Greg,
I have pixelated, I think, Mickey.
who we do not have.
I might.
It is Mickey!
I couldn't
Yay!
tell if it was Mickey or Minnie. but
So
I-
that is
Yeah.
one more pixelated one checked off. We're only
Yay.
missing 2 now, which is Minnie and Wreck-It Ralph.
You're welcome.
Yes, and then of course we're still missing the limited edition ones, which will take us forever to hunt down. Bless us and keep us, Gandalf. Everybody in the comments, write what you want Gandalf to bless you for. All right, Greg, who do you have?
So, I think I have Andy. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That hat is...
Andy's hat's really easy to notice. All right.
All right.
Mom, who do you have?
I'm believing that this is.
Do you think that's Ian Lightfoot? Oh, that was a bag.
Ian Dor Lightfoot? Yeah, by the.
Yeah, just call him Ian. Who is it?
Oh, no, it's not. No.
It's Stretch! Stretch is
Stretch.
also a
Stretch, but
dupe,
it's
but
a
we do
rare.
like
I
him.
kept feeling this thing. Okay. That's
All
what
right,
that was
so
about.
that's everybody we had for those 2
We did
multi-peaks.
check off 2 new ones there.
Yes, so good job, Gandalf, for blessing us and keeping us, because you did at least give us one of the special edition ones. Not the limited edition, but the special editions.
And doorknob is just multiplying.
Yes. All right, anything to say to the fans? Greg is counting, Mom, so say what you want to say.
This is fun.
Okay.
33.
We have 33 out of 50.
50, which
So
means we're
we have
missing
17.
17.
All
We
right.
have Limited editions, we're missing 15.
Yes.
So we are not doing too
badly, no.
And Gandalf says, please tell him what you want for your future. All right.
I want a limited edition, buddy.
Okay. All right. Bye, everyone.
Limited.